Good morning, my name is Marie and welcome to my YouTube channel Marilet's World. Today I'm here at Family Dollar to take advantage of the store coupon $5 of a $25 purchase. This is a one-day only coupon for Saturday, February 27th. I'm gonna try and stay close to the $25 threshold, so I'll only be using this with digital coupons. Unlike other stores like CVS or Walgreens, Family Dollar couponing only saves me about 40 to 60% with the coupons. But I really need to stock up on laundry detergent, so I'm going to take advantage of the store coupon $5 of a $25 purchase. Family Dollar app on the phone allows for 2 accounts, so I'll be doing 2 very similar scenarios on 2 separate accounts. I'm gonna put on my mask and head inside. Arm & Hammer Oxy on sale for $3.95. Tide Oxy $4.95. Scott Tissue $5. Febreze Space Air Freshener $3. There's a digital coupon $3 off at 2. Airwick Twin Refills $5. There's a digital coupon $1.50 off. Palmolive Dish Detergent 20 ounce $2. I'll be getting Tide Oxy Detergent $4.95. There's a $2 digital coupon. Arm & Hammer Oxy 35 loads. They're on sale for $3.95. I only have 1 digital coupon, $1 for 1 of them. This is my first scenario. Arm & Hammer Oxy, Tide, Palmolive, Scott Tissue, and Febreze Airspace. This Arm & Hammer detergent is a 35 loads. It's a big bottle, 61.25 fluid ounce. My receipt, the total is $16.64 including tax. $2.08 each. Second scenario, 2 Arm & Hammer liquid detergent, Tide Oxy, 2 Febreze Airspace, Airwick Twin Refill, and 2 stick snacks for filler. So here's one of the transactions: liquid detergent, air freshener, and stick snacks. This is my receipt. The total including tax is $15.44. That's $1.93 each. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Click the thumbs up button and remember to subscribe to my channel Marilet's World. Please check out my playlist for uploads on couponing, DIY, restoration, and food-related videos. I'll see you on the next deal. Have a great day.